Good morning, students. Today we are doing the poem that is Rain on the Roof. This is written by Cort Skinny. So, about the poet Cort Skinny, he was a liar, a politician, a journalist, and poet from the United States. As you can see his picture also, the poet of the poem Rain on the Roof. We have the first stanza here. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. What a joy to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and to listen to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Here, as the title is telling you, rain on the roof, we are talking about. The poet is saying in this stanza, the poet describes about a rainy night. He says that all the stars of the sky have become invisible. Why they have become invisible? Because they have been covered by the clouds. Darkness usually has a very sad impact, a negative connotation, and the poet makes no exception to this rule. He says there is no exception, that whenever there are clouds, where there is darkness, and darkness refers to the sadness only. He says that this darkness is making him sad and reflective, and the rain also seems to mirror his emotions, as it looks like tears falling softly from human eyes. So it seems as if the tears are falling at this point. The only thing which the poet can do is he says, I can enjoy to curl up with a pillow in the bed of a cottage, in the county cottage, though the rooms of the cottage may be small and ill-equipped means there is hardly any furniture other than the bed. The sound of the raindrops can only transport him there for him to recover from his melancholic mood. So I am telling you again, I am explaining, though the explanation is given here, still I shall explain it again to you. The poet is saying, when the humid shadows hover, when there are shadows, when there is darkness, when there are clouds over all the starry sphere, the stars in the sky, they just are invisible, and there is a sadness in the environment, there is darkness, and it seems as if the human beings, they are the tears of human beings are falling. And in this situation, the poet says, I just can enjoy to press a pillow under my head of a cottage chamber bed. In a cottage, in a chamber, on my bed, I am lying, pressing my pillow under my head, and I am listening to the patter sound of the rain falling overhead. Patter is the sound word, and sound word means the device which is used by the poet is alliteration. Sound word is onomatopoeia. Here I have given you the devices, literary devices. In class 8th also you have read about simile, metaphor, alliteration. Similarly, here also in this stanza, these are the devices given here which are used. Alliteration, as you can see, alliteration is the repetition of a consonant sound. Humid, hover, H sound is repeated. Starry sphere, S is repeated. Similarly, onomatopoeia, the sound words patter of falling of the raindrops. So personification is also there. And then the melancholy darkness is referring to the melancholiness, the sadness which the poet is feeling. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. You just prepare this one stanza, read the whole poem silently, and then we shall continue in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.